Ever feel like you're constantly cleaning and decluttering but see very little progress? The truth is, no list, no schedule, no system can lead to aimless decluttering. We essentially start projects all over the house and never get around to finishing them. That is why
today I want to teach you a very simple 3-step system to creating your decluttering plan that'll keep you focused, eliminate decision fatigue, decrease stress and overwhelm, and yes, even help you overcome procrastination. Step 1 to creating your decluttering roadmap is to identify all the areas of clutter. When I first started my decluttering journey 7 years ago, there was zero planning. I essentially went atomic on my space because, well, it was suffocating me. And sure, it was quite therapeutic in its chaotic execution. Looking back now though, it could have definitely gone smoother and been less time consuming. What I was missing all those years ago was a decluttering plan, which is kind of funny because I'm like an organizational fanatic who obsesses over to-do lists. Yet I never thought to create one for ridding my home of clutter. The first step might feel a smidge stressful, but it's so important. And I promise this is the first and last time you'll have to take in your entire space in one big bite. So let's start with identifying all areas of clutter in your home. Grab a pen and a paper or your phone and walk around your home writing down all the areas of clutter. So your kitchen, your entryway, your bedroom, your closet, your attic, your living room, your dining room, your office, so on and so forth. I recommend that you begin at your entryway. Write it all down, put on some hype music. You can do this. Okay, once you're done, take a look at your list. Now label each area from 1 to 5 in order of priority. 1 equals must be done, to 5, it can wait. I like to think of the ones as our eye twitch spaces. You know what I'm talking about? You walk into the bathroom and it makes your skin crawl, causing you to immediately stop breathing, maybe wanting to scream a little bit in frustration. Now take a deep breath. You are done with step 1. Now on to step 2. In step 2, select one of your ones from step 1. So one of your high traffic or maybe eye twitch areas. And we're going to be breaking down that area into smaller, more manageable, bite-sized sections. Now let's do an example together. Let's say you have decided to be super brave and tackle your kitchen first. You're gonna break down your kitchen into smaller sections. So this could be your countertop, a cabinet, a drawer, your table, your fridge, your freezer, your pantry. You can get even more specific if you would like. You could say utensil drawer, junk drawer. Once you're done breaking down the space into smaller, more manageable areas, pin it in that room. So if you're in your kitchen, pin it to the refrigerator so you're constantly reminded of your to-do list. Also feels really good as you check off each area one by one, which leads me into step 3. Now here's a warning. Only go one room at a time from start to finish. This is the only way that we're going to be able to see results. If you're getting value from this video, contribute to my coffee addiction by smashing that like button. And let me know what area of your home will you be starting with first. Step 3, identify how frequently you can declutter each week. This can be daily, every other day, once a week, whatever works best for you. I recommend if you're just starting out, begin with 15-minute increments. This tends to be less overwhelming. Setting alarms also helps to keep us on track, and believe me when I say you will want to go past the clock. It also helps all of you procrastinators. Try to choose a time of day that's free of distraction and you have higher energy levels. So for example, maybe a Sunday morning. Then pencil in your decluttering, roll up those sleeves, and get started. If you're interested, I've created a decluttering plan workbook that walks you through the 3-step process as well as has helpful worksheets to keep you on track. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. I will also be hosting a free decluttering plan workshop. So if you need a little extra guidance creating your decluttering plan for the new year, again, it's free. Feel free to join. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. I recommend that you watch this video next where I walk you through 5 decluttering steps for beginners. As always, good luck on your decluttering journey and remember to be good to yourselves.